How to redeem Fortnite codes on Xbox. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, you want to open up any web browser. Now search for Fortnite. From the search results, you want to click on the option of Fortnite.com. Once you click on it, on this web page, you first of all want to sign into your account using all of your credentials. Then, click on this profile icon and select the option of V-Bucks card. Once you click on this option, here it's going to say that an Epic Games account is required to redeem a V-Bucks card code. If you have played Fortnite, you already have an Epic Games account, so click on the Get Started option that is below. Once you click on this option, here you will have to enter the code from the back of your V-Bucks card, so go ahead and enter that. If you do not know where to find it, the code you need is located on the back of the card under a scratch-off security covering. Enter that code. Once you do that, click on the next option. Now you will have to select the device that you want to play Fortnite on. In this case, you want to select Xbox from the drop-down menu, then click on the next option. Now review the details and click confirm if all the details are correct. Then open Fortnite on your Xbox to view and spend your V-Bucks. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.